Hi everyone, welcome back. For those who are new, I'm Alice. I'm a designer and illustrator based in Australia. So today I want to go to city and do a little bit shopping. Also, I want to show you guys some of my sketch. As you know that I've already shown my sketchbook before, but I have some more want to show. Okay, let's go. Oh, by the way, have you noticed the t-shirt? He is Hanamichi Sakuragi from one of my favorite comics. Okay, now let's go. Hey, come back with lots of things. Okay, big shopping. These are the things which I purchased today. This is the weekly planner. Cause every year I purchase one yearly planner, but this year I unfortunately haven't got one, so I just looking for. And then here's the one. It's so beautiful and very cute. You see? So it's like very clearly you can have your list to do and every week, and my goal like from Monday to Sunday, like to do list. So it's easier for me to organize my timing. And see, very cute stickers as well. Yeah, so this is the planner. Ta-da! I just found this book and I really like the sketch and the drawings. I really like the drawings, so that's why I just grabbed one. Very cute. And this is the acrylic color. It's white one. I haven't used this brand before, but I just want to have a try. And also this one. This one say like it can be like suitable for most surface like such as like wood, metal, plastics, or it's the bright white. Bright white. So these two I gonna try. This is the gold glue. It also can be like for the paper, fabric, wood. We want to use it on fabric, so let's see how it's gonna be work. I just opened it right now. Yeah, it's like this. Gonna have a try. And this one it's like for the face painting. Cause it's really popular here. For the face painting, and I found this one so that I can, whenever I want to do the face painting, I can just like do it. And they have like the mixing colors. Okay, let's open it. Oh, it's this kind of. 4, 5 different color. Oh, 6. One more. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Yep. 6 colors. And it's Australian made and owned, so I will definitely try it later. It's mystery books. It's Emma. So I have this one, if you remember. She's also Emma, but from another collection. So cute. All these models can be made from blenders. I can use Blender to do this. So that's what to do. I just purchased another collection. Let's have a look. Good luck. Hey. Wow. Here's a sunflower for you. Wow. The standard. Oh, okay, another. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, so cute. Sunflower Emma. Yeah. And this is the coloring book. It's a wish. Because you know that after the Easter's, lots of stores they have huge discounts. So this one's really, really good price. And you see, you can just do coloring, relax and enjoy the painting. And these two, Barbie and Disney's as well. They have like. Actually, I like this 120 stickers. That's this one, so I can use it on my diary. And here's also like the coloring, and they have like some activities. And this one as well. See, very beautiful stickers. Some activities as well. Yeah, okay, so that's it. Okay, so now I want to show you guys my sketchbook. So this one, I've already shown some of my works, and this is the new one. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look at this one first. I want to show you yeah, this one, this piece of work. Actually, this one is a very good memory of myself, and you can see it's also like in the bookmark. So actually, this work tells about like my grandma and I, how we spent such a wonderful and long time. So I really appreciate for my grandma to be with me, and she really took care of me and be with me. So yeah, this is the one. And you can see this is Alice and this is my grandma. And these are very very nice memories. And this is the bridge to connect with each other. Although she has already passed away, but she still, I always think she still be with me whenever I think about her. Yeah. So this is a very nice memory. And this one, this one is also very cute design. So this one actually, what I think is like, everyone is unique. So it means that everyone has their own life experience before. So if you are lucky enough, you find someone who really understands you, that's great. But if not, that's fine, that's alright. Just keep going, just be yourself, and you will get something. So this is what I get inspired of it. Yeah. And it's also with this bookmark. And this one also very very interesting piece of work. Basically for this sketchbook, I'll do like the drawings with watercolor and very fairy tale stories. So this is the one. And for this one, actually I haven't finished the front page. I think I'm gonna do some crafts on it. So this one basically I do some sketch. This one you've already seen that, and this one as well. This one not yet. Yeah, this one is also very nice piece of work. And this one, for this one, whenever I go out, I just bring this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna finish it. So all these sketchbook, they are very suitable for the watercolor. So, and very light, it's very easy for us to carry on. So okay, that's it. Hi. So I think today I'm gonna finish this front page. This one actually took me a few days to finish. But this one I'm gonna make it another style. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to, yeah, it's nice, like this. Okay, so I will use the glue I purchased yesterday. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it works. Okay, it's like this. Let's see if this works. Okay, so this is gonna be my cover. Wow. Yeah. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a nice day and I will see you next time. Bye!